Mamenda a Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources for us. Na Menda the Vice President of the Land, Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, and the Chief of Staff. Mami Frema.
I want to mention them, and I'm in Fenjina Hamuna as a former motion.
Mami Frema.
Yeah. Why will share Facebook? No, when we're here because I are there to Facebook. But I said they're trying to picture and or they at all. And it's this citation is in honor of Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Sir, okay, Omanhene Kwabena Asante of Adom TV. Sir, as part of activities of the media coalition against illegal mining in Ghana, your consistent efforts towards sanitizing the sector is very commendable. The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources recognizes your contributions. And it's a beautiful citation.
I've been hitting hard at them. Very hard at them in terms of Nyoma Misusu says na that regulated front na yepeno yetimenya na illegal mine na be something of the past. In fact, under this sector minister Samuel Abujinapo, said they did not perform kakra. What it therefore tells some of us and say ni nipa dodo na so omano abene say yebetima hwama ye nkwaye ne yensuo no emu atima da ofan anya ahoden sonko no ye kasa no afei mpemfo 18 wasopam 821 amonti meda yera nimnyamfo Samuel Abujinapo and the deputy era Mekuduka meda omasipa ana and for the vice president to do a presentation of my award to me, even though traffic situation very unfortunate, and I apologize. I apologize in all humility, unreserved. I apologize because untimin kunyaba subodie na
omampenia be de chankasangasa train or the ashawonsa
na chief of staff to na omuna ya bodi na wentimi in fact 3 hours in traffic. 3 hours. Me point could see I'm sure near. I didn't have a jack idea. I've been invited to Alisa. And you know, me quite fasting because I'm Hona member. And me buy me konano Anna your friend say I am part of people that say Omoba Jumedino.
Wow.
I said me the traffic my friend me kufi. 3 hours in traffic.
I think that personally I need to commend you.
I need to apologize to you.
Kwabena Asante, you're joining team. You've been one of the people. I mean, joining 4th November, and I mean, 2 years with multimedia. Ubekaya, Brian by a meeting or another office.
Yes.
Was a caucus meeting. I'm peniphoning in our
facility in Tunku.
You gave me an advice. Sa futonwa and I did so I congratulate you for your consistency on any issue be on. And some of us we follow your steps. And if
sometimes if you are not careful, it will be misrepresented. Once again, the Vice President of the Land, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the Chief of Staff, Madam Frema Opare, the Sector Minister Lands and Natural Resources, Samuel Abujinapo, Deputy Minister, hard-working Minister Mrekuduka,
George Mrekuduka,
made Damwasi for the recognition, and I appreciate it so much.